Hello everybody. Right, okay, now I've been working on this kit for quite a while now. I have mentioned it in a couple of videos that I was working on a kit with some original artwork, which from Ola, my son's girlfriend there, and she kindly said that I could use them. So what we've done is we've done like a bit of a collaboration, because I also want to show them that to do a bit more art and and help them. I'm going to try and help them sort of create their own digital kits as well, and for the future, and I think that'll be really good. So they are going to have the main pages. I am going to have the add-on in my shop. Okay, so but I'll put all the links and everything in the description box to both kits, and everything like that. But say if you have you buy it off of MaybeBabey, then and your problem arises or something like that, it's best to contact me, because I know exactly what I'm doing. I can download it and things like that to you, and sort out a few problems where they might not have the answer to any problems that arises, like buying it twice, for instance. But that I did tell them about that. If you do happen to buy it twice, it happens, then of course they will refund the second one. Yeah, so, and it's really odd that Tracy Fox brought out a bee kit as well. We were laughing our head off, honestly. I mean, I've already got three or four bee kits anyway, different ones. So it just, well, there's one in particular on my side on the add-on kit that is all but identical to what Tracy done, and it's just so funny. So yeah, we have been in contact. So I'm feeling they're going to work quite well together as well, because I've incorporated a little bit of blue here and there in this kit. Not a lot, but there is, yeah, some blue. I've done a lot of painted backgrounds and everything for this one. This is some of my own painted backgrounds that I've incorporated. And and these are some of the images that Ola done as well, some daisies, and so I've pushed them into the background of this one. I thought this would look nice as a cover, so you can shrink this one down. So there is a duplicate of this one, but it's not got the busy bee on, so you can also use it as a page, which is excellent. So that's that one there, and this one is it 15 pages in the actual page, and I think it's 12 for the add-on. These bees are absolutely fantastic. I love them so much. They seem to have quite a personality, and I've called it busy bees because they looked busy, so I thought, no, it's got to be busy bees. So there, that's some of Ola's artwork here as well. That's that one. And that's her daisies. Beautiful. I love the one with the bottom. And then I'll put in some actual journaling pages. Oh, these are some of the, like a gel print I done, and I made the stamp as well. I've got it somewhere. Yeah, so that's some of my own pages, which you'll see it more in a minute. That's busy bees there. Yeah. Oh, I love this. I think this would look fantastic as wrapping paper or fabric. Absolutely beautiful. There. And some sunflowers. So I've incorporated the leaves and the bees and all that. Okay. And this one is like the daisies and everything. And this one is the leaves I was talking about. I stamped that and then use that. I quite like it because I stamped it in watercolour sort of inks and everything, and It turned out really nice. And then there's a plain page for different things. I put this in. I just love this page. I love it. And I've just sort of thrown it in just for a bit of contrast, really. Because I do like, it does, you know, it works. But it's quite a contrast as well, with the dark in it and everything. And I think that'll look quite nice. So that's why that's in there. Right, so that's the main pages, which the link will be below for that one. And then I will have in my shop the add-on. Okay, so let me have a look. There we go. So there's pockets, some page tabs and a few tickets on here. And some ephemera. Yeah. There. And some more journaling cards. Oh, what was the one? What is this one? That very similar to what Tracy's done. Yeah, she put a bee in it as well. I think she put a flower and a bee, something like that. She just said, "Gotta look at this." It was just amazing how we just thought exactly the same. Well, we are born on the same day, mind. 10th of January. A few years apart, though. Is that on? And I quite like these brush strokes that I've used here and there as well. So we'll try to make it a little bit more sort of arty. Oh, that's like a file folder. A giant one. Okay, which of course you can shrink that down. And some tags. There's 2 pages of tags on it. That's the other one. So that's that one there. And here is like a coin envelope with an insert and a jumbo ticket there. And then 2 large envelopes. There. And that one. So yes, very pleased. Right, they are here. So I'm going to go and get them. They're going to say hello to you. Trying to get them to do, they're very good. Both of them are very good at art. And try and get them to do a bit more. Because I think they should. So let's put the busy bee on the top. Okay, right, I'll just go and get them. Right, hello everybody. They're both here. Ola, where you'll just see their hands. Hands. This is the hands of an artist. Okay, look at that. Say hello then, Ola. Hello. They're totally embarrassed. I'll just let you know, folks. And this is Jaden's hand. They're like mine, aren't they? Grubby mitts. Right, so you've been introduced now, and they'll all comment, tell you to do more art. Okay?
I've never seen you look more embarrassed.
Okay, well, thank you very much, everybody. Like, all the links will be in the description box and everything. Okay, bye for now.